If you want to create a clean grid video in CapCut PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to place multiple videos into a grid layout step by step, so you can make your edit look more professional, organized, and visually interesting. This is perfect for reaction videos, comparison videos, split-screen edits, montage layouts, or any project where you want more than one clip on the screen at the same time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut editing guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your project in CapCut PC. If you don't already have a project started, create a new one and make sure you're in the editing workspace. Once your project is open, look at the top panel and click on Media. This is where you'll import the videos you want to use in your grid. Now bring in all of the clips you want to place on screen. You can import one video, two videos, or even 4 videos depending on the style of grid you want to make. After your files are imported, drag the first video down to the timeline. This first clip will act as the base layer for your project. Next, drag the other videos onto tracks above the first video. Placing each clip on a separate track gives you control over where each one appears in the preview window. This is the key step that lets you build a grid instead of just stacking clips normally. Once your videos are on the timeline, click on one of the clips to select it. In the preview window, you'll see handles around the video. Use those handles to resize the clip, shrink it down until it fits into one section of the screen. For example, you might place the first video in the top left corner. You can also move it by clicking and dragging it directly in the preview window. Now repeat the same process for the other clips. Select the next video, resize it, and move it into the top right, bottom left, or bottom right section, depending on how many videos you're using. The goal is to divide the screen evenly, so each clip has its own space, and the layout looks balanced. If you're doing a 4-video grid, try to keep each clip the same size so the final result looks neat and symmetrical. If needed, adjust the position of each clip slightly until the spacing looks right. Sometimes one video may need to be moved a little higher or lower so the edges line up better. Take your time with this part, because small adjustments can make the difference between a messy layout and a polished one. You should also make sure all the clips have the same duration if you want the grid to stay consistent throughout the video. If one clip is longer than the others, trim or extend the others so they match. That way, all the videos stay visible together for the full section of your edit. This is especially important if you want the grid to remain stable from start to finish. Once everything is arranged, play the video back in the preview window and check the grid layout carefully. Look at the spacing, alignment, and timing to make sure all the clips are displaying correctly. If something looks off, just go back and resize or reposition the clips until it looks exactly how you want it. And that's it. You've now learned how to grid video in CapCut PC. It's a simple technique, but it can completely change the way your edits look and help you create more engaging videos in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.